In this video, I'll show you how to change your Gmail signature from your PC. Now, once you open up Gmail, what you have to do is click on this gear icon from here and then click on See All Settings. Now scroll down a bit until you see the signature. And from here, you can create a new signature or you can just edit the existing one. So we are just going to edit the existing one. And then let's make it bold. And we have just changed our signature. Now to save it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down and then click on Save Changes. And we are basically done. Now if we go to Compose and from here select our signature, you can see that we have our new edited signature in here. And that is how you can change your Gmail signature from your PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.